Subscribe to Let's Share Solutions and press the bell icon for daily study tips, career advice and personality development videos with me, Ashwani Thakur. And today I would like to share with you a little information about Toastmasters International. Now, first of all, please understand that this is not a sponsored video. I'm not advertising any organization here. As a coach, this is my genuine recommendation for you if you want to improve your leadership or public speaking skills. The best part is that you can visit any Toastmasters meeting as a guest in the community club, and becoming a member is easy and very affordable. Now, how does it work? In any Toastmasters meeting, the members take up different roles. Like someone becomes the host of the meeting. Few members deliver speeches and few members evaluate speeches. Apart from that, there is an interesting table topic session where impromptu speaking skills is practiced and even the guests can speak in this session. The meeting ends with an award ceremony where best speakers win applause and certificate. I'm also a member of Toastmasters, and every time I attend a meeting, I come back with new learnings, happy memories, and sometimes with a certificate. Can Toastmasters help you in your career? Yes, I would say yes. It does not matter which industry you belong to. It does not matter if you are an employee or an employer. Your success greatly depends on the way you communicate. So Toastmasters can act as a gym for your communication skills. Just like working out regularly builds body, joining Toastmasters builds your communication skills. Moreover, when you achieve a milestone in Toastmasters after delivering a set of speeches, you get titles that you can add in your CV, and it's recognized worldwide. For more information about Toastmasters and to find a club near you, please visit www.toastmasters.org. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope it helped you. With every video I produce, my goal is to increase the level of your happiness, health, and wealth. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out my Hindi channel and business channel.